Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. This time we will be answering some questions regarding finding the slope of a line. This is just a sort of review and I have added some shortcut method in order that you can find the slope of a line easily. For the first question, what is the slope of a line passing through point 3, -5 and point -13? Remember that the equation or the formula in finding the slope of a line is m, being represented by letter m, is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And this is also the same as y sub 1 minus y sub 2 all over x sub 1 minus x sub 2. Now, if we have here given 2 points, we will be representing this as x sub 1, y sub 1, because this will be our first point. And the second point will be represented by x sub 2, y sub 2. So, the value for x sub 1 is 3, y sub 1 is 5, x sub 2 is -1, y sub 2 is 3, and we will be replacing these symbols by those values. Okay, so let us now substitute now the values of y sub 2 and y sub 1, and that is 3 minus -5 all over values of x sub 2 and x sub 1, -1 minus 3. So let's simplify. 3 minus -5, this is equal to +8. -1 minus 3, this is -4. Let's divide. 8 divided by -4, so our value of m is -2. Now, if we will be using this formula, it should arrive also at -2. So, let's again substitute the values of y sub 1 and y sub 2 from our given 2 points. So, this is equal to -5 minus 3 all over 3 minus -1. Simplifying the expressions, -5 minus 3 is -8. Then 3 minus -1, that's 4. Divide. -8 divided by 4, that's -2. So, we have the same result. The slope of the line passing through point 3, -5 and point -13 is -2. Let's proceed to the next question. What is the slope of a line with y-intercept 6 and x-intercept -4? If we're going to rewrite the term y-intercept 6 as a coordinate, this is the same as 0, 6. And the x-intercept -4, this is the same as -4, 0. Now observe, we have here given 2 points. We can use the formula m is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1, or the other one, y sub 1 minus y sub 2 all over x sub 1 minus x sub 2 to find the slope of a line, okay, given these 2 points. So I will be using this one. So 6 minus 0 over 0 minus -4. 6 minus 0, that's 6, over 0 minus -4, that's 4. Reducing this to lowest term, so we have 3/2. So the slope of a line given the y-intercept 6 and x-intercept -4 is 3/2. We can also answer this question by again using our symbol for x-intercept, that's A0 and 0B. In our given 2 points, A0 is -4, 0, and 0B is 0, 6. So to answer this question, given the y-intercept and x-intercept, you're just going to find the negative, okay, ratio of the value of B over A. So in our case, our value of B is 6. So negative times 6 over the value of A, which is -4. So negative times 6 over -4. So this is 6 over 4. Reducing this to lowest term, we have 3/2. So we have now the slope of a line with y-intercept 6 and x-intercept -4 as 3/2. Another question. What is the slope of the line whose equation is given by 5x minus 3y is equal to 2? If you're going to observe, the given equation is written in the form of ax plus by is equal to c, which is the standard form of the linear equation in two variables. To be able to find the slope of the line, we have to rewrite this into slope-intercept form, that is equal to y is equal to mx plus b. Because we're going to find the value of m, which is the numerical coefficient of x that represent the slope of the line. So, if our equation is 5x minus 3y is equal to 2, this is the same as negative 3y is equal to transpose 5x to the other side of the equation. This is negative 5x plus 2. Divide both sides by negative 3 so that we can be able to find the value of y. So, this will become y is equal to negative 5x divided by negative 3. That's 5x over 3. Positive 2 divided by negative 3. That's negative 2 over 3. So, the numerical coefficient of x is 5 over 3, which is the slope of the line, whose equation is given by 5x minus 3y is equal to 2. Here's another way of finding the slope of the line, the fastest way to find the slope of the line. You're just going to find the value of a and b in the given equation. So here, our value of a is 5, and the value of b is negative 3. To find the slope of the line using the values of a and b, you're just going to substitute that to negative times the value of a over b. So, this is equal to negative times the value of a, which is 5, over the value of b, which is negative 3. Let's simplify. Negative times 5 over negative 3, that is 5 over 3. So, we have the same result of the slope of the line. Let's proceed to the next question. What is the slope of a line that passes through point 34 and parallel to the line 6x minus 5y is equal to 4? Now, on our question, there are two lines involved, the line that contains the point 34 and the line which has an equation of 6x minus 5y is equal to 4. When two lines are parallel, they have the same slope. So, let's find the slope of the line 6x minus 5y is equal to 4. Again, if we have 6x minus 5y is equal to 4, we are going to rewrite this into slope-intercept form so that we can be able to find the value of m, which is the slope of a line. So, given 6x minus 5y is equal to 4, this will become now negative 5y equals, if we transpose 6x to the other side of the equation, that will become negative 6x, then plus 4. Next, divide both sides by negative 5. Negative 5. So, we will be arriving at y is equal to negative 6x divided by negative 5. So, this is 6x over 5. 4 divided by negative 5. That's negative 4 over 5. We are more concerned on the numerical coefficient of x because that is the value of m, which is the slope of a line. So, therefore, the slope of a line that passes through point 34 and parallel to the line 6x minus 5y is equal to 4 is 6 over 5. We can also use again our shortcut, that is, let us have the value of the a and b on the given equation. Remember that this is written in standard form, ax plus by is equal to c. We're just going to focus on the value of a and on the value of b. And that is negative times the value of a over b. So, our value of a is 6. That's negative times 6 over the value of b, which is negative 5. What is negative times 6 over negative 5? That is 6 over 5. So, still we have the same result. So, the answer is 6 over 5. For our last question, what is the slope of the line perpendicular to the line 3y minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0? So, in this problem, there are two lines involved again here, but they are perpendicular to each other. When the lines are perpendicular to each other, take note that the slopes of perpendicular lines are negative reciprocals of each other. So let us find first the slope of the line 3y minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0 by using our way of finding the slope using negative times the value of a over b. So in our equation, the value of a here is negative 5 and the value of b is 3. So replacing that to our given equation, we have negative times negative 5 over 3. Simplifying this will be equal to negative times negative 5 over 3. So this is 5 over 3. This is the slope of the line 3y minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. But take note that they are perpendicular, okay, to each other. So we are going to find the negative reciprocal of 5 over 3. And that is equal to negative 3 over 5. So this is the slope of the line perpendicular to the line 3y minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. Thank you for watching and learning with me. See you on my next videos.